Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve Wi-Fi problem on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you have to scroll a little bit. Here you are going to find this connection and sharing. So you have to click on connection and sharing. When you click on it, you have to scroll on the down. Then here on the down you are going to find this reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. So just click on it. When you click on it, you are going to find on the down reset setting. So click on this reset setting and click on OK. When you click on OK, in 3 seconds the Wi-Fi problem, mobile data problem and Bluetooth problem will be solved on your mobile phone. Okay, no need to be scared. Okay, you just click on the reset setting and click on OK. I'm not clicking because I have reset already. Okay, and I don't have problem on my mobile phone, so I can reset it, right? Then it will maybe I cannot. So now I'm not reset. If you have problem, then you can click on it. It will be solved in 3 seconds only. I have been doing before, so now I didn't do reset. Okay, you can give me a comment if you have some problem in doing the solve of Wi-Fi problem, right? So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.